Hey y'all. Hey y'all, it's Ebonetynia and I'm back with another video, y'all. Today we got some good old Zaxbys, y'all. I got me a wings and things, hot honey mustard, and I'm also gonna review the egg rolls for y'all. Yes, I have already had the egg rolls before. But I'ma do it for y'all. Okay, let's get a. Our videos are always so awkward to get a thumbnail in. Okay, y'all, they're gonna have to do for now. So let me open up my my ranch and then my other sauce, Zax sauce. I be hating to put my sauces inside of the plate with my food, because you know people done touch these sauces. Yeah, they didn't touch my food too, but hopefully they had on gloves when they did it. Okay, let's eat, baby. If y'all never had Zax sauce, y'all sleep. I'm talking about, might as well be dead. Is it giving crunch or what? I said before I even ate it, baby. I knew it was gonna be good. I also got a new peach tea too, y'all. I'm gonna try wings. Y'all, Zaxby is always a hit or miss. One restaurant can be amazing, and then the next one be like, good. Some of them be awful. I'm sitting in front of this Oriental market. I'm going there and see what they got in. It's also a Korean restaurant. I went over there to the right across the street. They got a Asian market and restaurant. I thought they was gonna have like some actual food like actual Asian food in there, which it was food, but it was like packs of noodles and frozen dumplings and stuff like that. I know they cooking it in the bed. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. I thought they would have it on display for me to buy. Oh, it's so good. So y'all, today has been very adventurous for me. Not really adventurous, but I got three videos done. Ooh, that peach is good, y'all. Okay, so the sauce that I give you with the egg rolls is called sweet and spicy sauce. The last time I had these, it was given inside of a little clear cup. So But they look really done. They're real brown. Got a nice color on it. Sound like it got a nice French. And let's see, y'all. They big. They stuffed. And these are veggie, y'all. All veggie. Now, when I had these before, they were excellent. This time, the inside is more like gummy, like dressing almost. Like, you know how you cook dressing and it ain't done? You know, they cook long enough. That's what they're giving. But the egg roll itself, maybe they let it like, maybe they didn't drain it and the oil is doing something, or maybe whatever they put, maybe whatever the filling is was wet or something. I don't know. But they definitely fried them, baby. They fried them. It's still good, very good. But like I said last time, it was like amazing. I would recommend that y'all get those egg rolls. Very good. I told y'all, Zaxbys is a hit or miss. Let's get back over here and stop playing. Baby, everybody I see out here at the Oriental and Korean Mexico, I'm talking about Mexico market, baby, they all Korean or Oriental. Now, my grandma be calling the Chinese restaurant Oriental market. I mean Oriental, up to the Oriental plate. That's what she say. Go ahead and get me some food from the Oriental plate. Now, I always thought that was a little back in the days for her to call them the Oriental people. But shoot, they got the name on the building. So maybe they don't mind being called the Oriental folk. But I don't want them saying, go take the food out to the black folk. I never knew what Oriental meant. But they sure got to look they are proud too. I wouldn't call them there. I wouldn't go in and say, hey, Oriental people. Like, good. But I do want to go in and see what they got in there. I never been so interested in other people's culture until I started doing mukbangs and seeing other people's channel where they were eating different stuff. But I definitely always love me some good Chinese food. No, I ain't gonna lie, never really knew the difference between the different like nationalities. Like people in the nail salon, never mind, I might say something dumb. They're not all Chinese people. Like they originate from around the same place, but different nationalities. But I never knew that. I never realized that growing up. That they wasn't all Chinese folk. And I also used to do something stupid too, y'all. When I used to get my nail done, I used to ask them folk, is that your daddy? I thought that was all a family business. I always have. But come to find out, someone don't even know each other. They just Came and got a job there because they know how to do nails. I thought that was cool. I honestly thought all them businesses be family owned. I ain't ignorant, y'all. I just didn't know. They do us the same way. A man used to ask me with my brother, my boyfriend, all the time, baby. We just gotta be kin or something just cause we all. Look at her. I ain't talking about nothing. But yeah, child. I'm gonna go in there. I might vlog you if I got time. Yeah, this so good. I really wanted my Captain D. I still ain't my Captain D. I ain't never eat it that day. When I said I was gonna eat it on that Taco Bell restaurant, I never ate it. It definitely won't be today because I'm cooking a chuck roast. And I might have a good baked potato with it. And maybe some squash and zucchini. Excuse me. And they pulling up over here too, boo. They must got some good stuff in there. They probably got them, no mind, them beef sticks. Nah, that's a Chinese restaurant. What up? Let me just stop talking. I'm almost done, y'all. I'm talking about these people pulling up, baby. We got white, black. White, black, and Oriental in there. It look like a... Y'all know how them gas stations be selling everything? They got food, they got clothes, they got motor oil, they got panties, do-rag. Right down to the little Debbie snacks. Did I hurt my tooth? So I gotta go pick up these 4 kids. And we got a doctor's appointment today. I bet y'all say, damn, your children stay at the doctor. This just a follow up from when they had them ear infections because Maud still putting in his ear. He never stopped putting in his ear. And his cold coming back. Okay. They done pulled up and go in there too. That one got some good stuff up in that thing, boy. So I'm gonna pick the kids up and my niece. So I'm gonna take her with us too. But I'm gonna get everybody disinfected. I'm scared they're gonna have to go ahead and put tubes in my ear. And I'm scared they're gonna have to redo my Savon tubes. Cause they ain't doing nothing. His tubes ain't doing nothing. They might as well be sitting on the outside of his face cause they ain't doing jack squat. I ain't gonna eat the rest of this egg roll. Might throw it away. That peach tea good, but it's giving they put half peach tea, half water. Now that first sip had it going on. He had it going on now. Okay, y'all, I done rambled on enough. thank y'all so much for watching the video. If you are new to this channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button before you leave. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and until the next video. Bye, y'all. I'm full as a tick on the dog. Yeah, I don't really talk that old. I just be acting dumb on the video. Did I stick my gum?